In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color artwork with Live Paint in Adobe Illustrator. Live Paint is a fast, flexible way to color complex artwork as if you were filling in a coloring book. It treats the spaces created by overlapping shapes and paths as paintable regions, so you can add fills and strokes without worrying about whether every shape is a separate closed object. Start by selecting the artwork you want to color. This can be simple shapes or more intricate paths, anything you'd like to turn into colorable regions. With it selected, go to Object, then Live Paint, and choose Make. Alternatively, you can press the K key to access the Live Paint bucket tool and click on your selection to convert it. Illustrator turns your selection into a Live Paint group, which means it now recognizes intersections and enclosed spaces as areas you can fill. With the Live Paint bucket tool active, hover over your artwork and you'll see potential regions highlight as you move. This preview helps you confirm exactly what will be filled before you click. To apply a color, just click inside the highlighted area. You'll notice the bucket shows 3 small swatches near the cursor. Use your keyboard's arrow keys to cycle through your swatches on the fly so you can audition different colors without breaking your rhythm. If a region doesn't fill the way you expect, try zooming in and clicking again on the exact area that highlights. Keep going, clicking through each section until you've added all the fills you want. To add or edit strokes on the lines themselves, switch to the Live Paint selection tool, which is nested under the Live Paint bucket in the same tool group. With that tool, click directly on the edge you want to style. Once the edge is selected, choose a stroke color from your swatches or color controls, and Illustrator applies it to that specific edge within the Live Paint group. This approach is great for selectively emphasizing outlines or varying line colors without breaking the artwork apart. When you're finished and happy with the colors and strokes, you can convert the Live Paint group back to regular editable paths. Go to Object, Live Paint, and choose Expand. Expanding finalizes your fills and strokes into standard Illustrator objects, which makes them compatible with other tools and workflows. Keep in mind, once expanded, it's no longer a Live Paint group, so make sure your coloring is complete before you do this. And that's it, clean, flexible coloring using Live Paint from start to finish.